Alpha. Okay, and we'll first of all open this box of PeopleLink i20 Plus webcam. Okay, which is a very sleek, compact, best in class product. ये देखिए, this is a product. Okay, ideally this product is meant for your personal meeting experiences. You can mount it on top of a laptop, like using like this, or you can mount it on your monitor. And this is a USB device. You can plug and play. Okay, earlier it used to come in 2K. Now it is coming with 4K with AI feature. It can auto track, auto zoom in, zoom out whenever you are doing a video conferencing. Apart from that, it has a Sony camera, and it has a view angle of 90 degree, and it has 4 mics, and there is a speaker on top of it, so that you will have a good experience when you get the voice clarity from the other side. And coming to this 4K, now this is a AIO Alpha, PeopleLink AIO Alpha. I am just opening the box. So if you see, this is meant for slightly bigger meeting room, and this looks like this. Okay, and it has a rubber cap on top of it. It has a Sony 4K camera. Okay, and it has a viewing angle of 128 degrees, and this can be mounted on top of the TV screen or the large screen in a meeting room, or it can be also wall mounted. So I'll just keep both the cameras side by side so that you can have a physical look on both the cameras. So this camera looks pretty small, and this camera looks pretty big. Both the cameras have speaker, both the cameras have microphone. This particular this particular i20 camera has around 94 degree angle of view. That means from the camera 94 degrees, and it has 4 mics. This camera has 128 degree of viewing angle, and it has 6 mics. And if you see the tracking, so for example, if you see the AIO Alpha has a voice tracking up to 3 meter, and since it is 128 degree view and 16x optical zoom, it has 16x optical zoom, and both of the cameras have 3.0 USB connectivity. Okay, and this camera has a AI feature also. This camera also has a AI feature, and now both the cameras have different price range. This is mainly meant for a small, very small meeting room or huddle room, or mostly for the personal experience. If you want to use it on top of your laptop or desktop, the i20 plus this webcam is best. Plug and play. If you want to have a meeting room setup of 4 people meeting room and or a huddle room, so this AIO Alpha, this is the best. The accessories with both of it, you will get particular this thing, like a one small remote. You will have your USB connectivity. With this you have a power connectivity, AIO Alpha, and with this i20 Plus you don't need a separate power connectivity. You can just plug it. Now if you would like to get a pricing comparison between both of it, I would not be able to say that over this video. Here are my numbers and my email address. You can give me a call, or you can mail me with your requirement, with a meeting room requirement, so that I can give you a special price approved by PeopleLink, along with the shipment anywhere across India, and with the installation cost, of course. So please do give me a call on this number, or you can mail your business inquiry in this email ID, that is info@niladvantage.com. My number is 888-4950-768. You can give me a call on this number directly as well, or you can WhatsApp me as well with your business requirement. Thank you so much, guys.